Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have September's Globein box. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay you guys, so I got September's Globein box. It just arrived and I'm really excited to see because I don't remember which one I chose. But plus, once you see them online and then you get them in person, that's completely different. So I love to see them actually in person. So let's go ahead and dive in and let's get into this month's box. Globein does send me this for review. So thank you so much, Globein, for sending me your box. You guys know I really do appreciate all of the items in here, and I've been using them around my house and in my patio. So this is definitely a really good box. And if you don't really care for the theme that they have that month, you can switch it and change it to different themes that they have to offer. So once you open it up, that is what it looks like inside for the presentation. They always give you a book right on top and it goes over all the items and it tells you where they are made. So I definitely like this, and then we can find out where they come from, which is always so neat. So this month's theme I got is the Froth Box. So that is the theme for this one, is the Froth Box. So let's go ahead and get in here and see which items we have. Okay, so this is everything that's down inside of the box. So let me go ahead and remove them from these packages as well. Okay, so now that I have removed all that, we can go ahead and see all of the different items. So this one says, looking for a bit of a pep in your step? There's nothing like waking up to a fresh cup of joe or the sweet smell of floral tea. Get back into the swing of things with work or school and prep for the brightness of springtime ahead. We have curated this luxurious Color Pop Artisan box collection with your favorite grind and coffee nook in mind. So froth up your favorite milk, steep your favorite herbal tea, or infuse your favorite flavors of cold brew. Anytime is a good time for coffee and tea. Yes, it is, unless it's 12 o'clock at night and you drink 4 cups and then you can't sleep all night, because that's what happens. Okay, so let's go ahead and see the different items that are in here. So the first thing is these right here. This says Nora Latte mug, set of 3. I don't know how they would consider a bowl a mug, but this is not a mug. Mugs normally have handles. Here's your handle, here's your spout, you know, little. It says set of 3 mug, but these are actually bowls. I think these are really cute because you can use these for cereal, for ice cream, for oatmeal, for anything. And these are really nice and thick, good bowls. I've received a few like really thin ones before, but these are really nice, good size bowls. You can use them for fruit, for nuts, for condiments, for chips and dip. You can use these bowls for anything. And they have like this little pattern on there. So this one is green. There's 3 different colors. So you have a green, you have a pinkish mauve color, and then you have a lavender purple color. So you have 3 of those. And these are actually handmade in Morocco. So there's that page. And look, he's holding a mug, but those I would call bowls, not mugs. But tomato. So then the next item is going to be this right here. This is a pyramid tea bag, and this is handmade in USA. And these are going to be some tea bags. Let's see what we have here. So when you open it up, there's one big bag in here, and then there's smaller, I'm sure there's individual bags inside. Let's see. Yes. Oh, so there's all these little individual, oh, that smells so good. Oh, wow, those smell good. There's a lot of them in here. Let me see how many are in here. If you wanted to know, does it say? Let's say that. If it says, then I don't have to dump them out. 15. Good, I didn't want to dump them all out. So there's 15 individual bags in here already ready to go. But this blend smells really good. It smells really good. And I'm getting kind of like a little citrusy scent in there as well with the nice smelling tea. Oh my gosh, that smells amazing. So we have some tea bags. Steeps a citrusy sweet red bush blend. Enchanting aromatics with a smooth taste will delight any tea drinker. And then it has like that, like the different blend that's in there. So when I said I was smelling more of like an orange, like citrus, it says citrusy sweet. So I can't wait to try that tea. So there's item number 2. Again, that's handmade in the USA. So then next we have is handmade Indian paper latte stencils. This is a set of 6. This is handmade in India, and this is how you get to design little cool things on your coffee, on your froth situation. So I thought this was really cute because I always see like on TV or commercials, they will make their little coffee look so cute with the little, these like kind of things. And I'm like, how do they do that? Now I know. So you can use some kind of like a little powder, and then you can get little shapes. So there's a set of 6. So you have like the flower, you have a sun, like a hang 10, you have a heart, little paw prints, how cute, or a happy face. So even if you could even like use like this to dust cinnamon on something. So these can be used for different things. So you can dust like a little image onto something, which is really cool. So you have this set of 6, and they are made from paper. So do not get them wet. You don't want them to fall apart. Okay, so then the last thing in here is a set of 2 espresso glasses. You can use these for espresso glasses. You can use these for shot glasses, tea light candles. You can use these for anything, but they were designed to be espresso glasses. And the way that they made their espresso, oh my goodness, like give me some of that. Where can I get that kind of an espresso? Because that looks amazing. But there's these 2 glass cups right here. These are handmade in Morocco, and they're handmade. So you can see like slight little like imperfections because they're actually handmade. They have like a little different, they're not completely straight. There's like a cool little design to them. And I think this is a really neat shape for these. So you have these 2. So that is everything that came in this particular box, you guys. You have the 2 espresso cups, which are super cute. You have the paper froth little designer making set of 6. You have this tea that's already in bags. There's 15 bags in there. And then you have this 3-piece set of bowls or mugs that they want to call it. But these are so thick and nice, good sized bowls. So I'm really glad to have these. And that is everything, you guys. So what did you think of this Froth Box? Do you get Globein? Do you want to get Globein? Comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. If you want to know a little bit more about Globein, I do have them linked down below. You can use my code SheCrafty to get 50% off your first month of any 3-month subscription or higher. It doesn't work if you just do 1 box. If you get at least a 3-month subscription, that'll take 50% off your very first box. This box is $40 a month if you just do month to month. Their mission is to deliver joy by empowering and connecting remarkable remote artisans to mindful customers. We improve the lives of our artisans so they can take great care of themselves, their family, and their communities. We help our customers deliver amazing goods in distant lands from the comfort of your own home. Through the delightful, useful, and vibrant goods, we offer our customers the means to feel well-traveled and culturally experienced. For our artisans in the developing world, we give their business global reach as we connect them with customers to share their extraordinary creations and inspiring stories. So down inside here, like I said, it goes over all of the different information. You can read all about who made it, their country, their village, anything, any information about the particular person is all in here that you can look up. And in the back, oh, there's a latte recipe in the back. Oh my goodness, I'm so glad I turned to the last page. And then here is an easy latte art trick. So it gives you art tricks back here so you can design easily. That is really neat. So I can look through that and I can figure out how to design my froth. I can't wait. And I'm definitely gonna try out that recipe because that looked amazing. So there you have it, you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye, Crafty crew, out.